new song, we call this Jumper Cables. Let's go.
Featuring Tilk, let's go.
Hands up. Let me see your hands up. Now let me see your hands up.
I wait till I get my money right. Get them all, I'ma get that can running right. Bitch, I'm gone. Feeling good, it ain't nothing better. Feeling good, it ain't nothing better.
Let me talk. Ain't got no job. See what that fella did to a nigga like this hard. Hands up off my mama couch and then I'm in my car. I feel the wreck, but still I'm driving like it's flawless. Catch me flicking off the running low on gas. Put a camera on my plan. Till I'm expressing my plan. We about to raise the bar, Truthfully, I don't know why your bitch wanna fuck me. She down. Guess it's cause she thinking I'm a star. I am.
We just two more boys in the candy. But around that thing, that wagon. No hell with a mama dragon. With them billion, born in February. Running tags out. Dripping and they tell like, boys, they really I need some gas now. Yeah, I'ma be riding clean. Just wait till I get my money right. Let them all. Get that can running right. Bitch, I'm gone. Good, it ain't nothing better. Nothing better. Living good, it ain't nothing better. Nothing better.
I got that money in my pocket and I ain't tryna lose it. Nothing there forever. For now it's like whatever.
Get some gas and I'm taking off. Take off. Wait till I get my money. Boy, represent. The highest scoring nigga on the bitch. Drop a wheel. Coming with amazing flavor. Tasting like you crazy payday.
Yeah, I'm a trip, but I don't have a bed to vacate. No, gas ain't gon' eat. Still proceed to push this presidential. Stick to the fundamentals. Although my funds are local, this all I can give you. A little bit of me, a little